ability to find and fill jobs quickly and effectively relies on a database of candidates and clients that is clean, accurate, and constantly growing. PCR Capture, the browser extension included with all PCR accounts, makes it easy to not only bring new contacts into your database, but to identify, update, and merge existing records for a private client and talent pool that maximizes every search. PCR Capture offers two main functions: capture and match. The match functionality makes it easy to identify whether someone you find on Indeed or LinkedIn is already in your database and to take action on their record quickly. PCR Match will compare first and last name combinations found on compatible pages to those in your database, adding a clickable icon to them when one or more matching records are found. From here, you can easily trigger tasks like calls and emails, putting the contact into a list, or linking them to a job. But the capture capabilities are where the extension really shines, making the creation of new records or the updating of old ones a breeze. When you've found a suitable contact, there are two ways you can begin. If a block of name or company contact information appears on the screen, whether it's in a website footer, a directory listing, or the signature of an email, simply highlight it, then right-click, and parse that information into your database as a new candidate or, for business development, a contact with a new company. The second method is triggered automatically when you visit a name or company on one of the many social networks and job boards that Capture is built to recognize. For example, a LinkedIn personal or company profile page. A Click to Add prompt will appear on the right side of the screen. Clicking on the icon will open a panel showing what information the plugin has identified. You can edit or augment the information as you please before importing the new contact into your talent pool. If you want to import the name and generate a company for it as well, just toggle this setting and you'll be capturing both the person and their organization. So what happens if the contact already exists in PCR? The prompt says click to update rather than click to add, indicating that one or more possible matches have been found in the database. In this case, Capture has identified two matching contacts. One of them has the direct match label, meaning Capture's algorithm has determined with near certainty that the contact info it found belongs to someone already in PCR. The other match shown has a combination of info determined to be a highly probable duplicate, but not at the level of confidence required to be labeled a direct match. And if you know that this contact is in your database, but not enough of their old information matches for Capture to have identified them on its own, you can manually search for their record. Once duplicates have been identified, just click on the ones you want to combine, assigning each a number. Then, on the review screen, you can cycle through the values for each field on all of the selected records, deciding which one to keep. You can even add the record to a list, append keywords, write notes, link it to a job opening, and so on while you're capturing it, saving time on later handling. When you're satisfied with your selections, PCR Capture combines the duplicates into a single, up-to-date contact in your database. And as with practically everything in PCR, your experience is configurable. Click on the icon to select which fields and actions are presented and in what order, including your own custom fields, to make this time-saving tool even more powerful and convenient. Start using PCR Capture to build your private recruitment database now.